Hello. Hello. Hi, everyone. Can you hear me? Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are able to hear you.
Okay. Okay. Let us wait few more minutes. Let us see if anyone is joining, and we can continue the session. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Let us start the session. Let me introduce myself first. I am Jaggu. I have 10 years of IT experience and 6 years of training experience. Okay. Can you all introduce yourself and what is your background and what are you expecting from this course? Starting Manish. Hello. I think you are on mute.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, Manish.
So myself is Manish Kumar sir. I am calling from Jaipur, and last in total I have 10 years experience in .NET and PS SQL developing side. Last 2 years I am working in Oracle EBS as a supporting
Okay,
role
okay,
in one manufacturing company.
okay,
So I want to exposure in the technical in Oracle EBS side and planning to switch in another career in IT field side. So that's why I am interested in this technology in this training.
okay, Manish. Uh, Ravati, can you introduce yourself?
Uh, Hi, Jaggu. I am Revati. I have 2 years of experience in Oracle Labs. I want to learn Oracle Labs.
Okay,
Thank you.
yeah, okay, okay.
Hi sir, I have one question. Some queries. Can you clear my doubts now itself?
Yes, Manish, you can ask.
Yeah. So for 10 years or 11 years experience, I am teaching in this technology in Oracle apps technical way. So this is a good decision for further career, and we can't means because after Fusion is also in market. So lot of the companies are working in a Fusion side. So we can go in R12.
See, currently Fusion is available in market from last 10 years, I think. So
Mm-hmm.
the thing is, if you want to learn Fusion, you have to learn Oracle Apps first. So without Oracle Apps knowledge, you cannot directly learn Fusion.
Yes.
Okay, so that's the case, and still many companies are using Oracle Apps. So the
Mm-hmm.
market is still available for Oracle Apps, and you have to have experience at least 2 years, 3 years experience in Oracle Apps. Then only you can move to Fusion.
Yes.
So without any exposure to Oracle Apps, you cannot directly move to Fusion. It will be very difficult, and they also will not consider you as an experienced candidate if you learn Fusion directly.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so it's better to learn Oracle Apps completely and then move to Fusion.
Yeah. Sure. So further, some opening is also coming in R12 side in market.
Sorry.
Means nowadays also R12 vacancies coming.
Yes, now it is R12 version 2.19, I think.
Mm-hmm.
It's the latest version available in
Yes.
market. So it will be close to Fusion in some modules and some forms. It looks like some forms will look like Fusion forms. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so here you are going to learn R12 uh, R12 1.2 or 2.1, I think. I will show you in a few minutes. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let us start the session. Okay.
Yes. Sure.
Then- Okay. You are going to learn Oracle Apps technical course, and the duration of this course will be 4 to 5 weeks.
Okay.
So the main agenda of this course is concentrating more on RISE components. Okay, what are RISE components? So if you want to be strong in technical in Oracle Apps, you have to learn, you have to be strong in Oracle RISE components. Okay. So you all know about Oracle Apps, right? Oracle Apps is a ERP package. Okay, it is ERP means Enterprise Resource Planning. Okay, it is available software provided by the Oracle for the purpose of running business. Okay, let us assume you are running a business, so you have to have an application which is available in the market to calculate all your profits and losses and everything. You have to enter your invoices, you have to enter your receivables, you have to enter your journals. So Oracle Apps is readily available software which is provided by the Oracle to ensure that your business is run in a smooth way. Okay, so for this purpose we are using Oracle Apps. So there are many ERPs in the market currently. Okay, for example, there is SAP, Microsoft, Microsoft Dynamics. We have PeopleSoft, we have Tally. So like that, we have so many ERPs. We have JD Adverse. Okay. So in this market, in this ERP market, 65% of the market is captured by SAP and Oracle Apps, Oracle ERP. Okay. So Oracle Apps is very strong in finance modules. Finance modules in the sense AP, AR, and GL. Accounts payable, accounts receivables, and general ledger. Fixed assets and cash management. These comes under the finance module. Okay. And SAP is strong in SCM module. SCM modules in the sense inventory, purchase order, order management, bill of material. Okay, with all these modules, SAP is stronger. So if you have a company which needs to be strong in finance modules, so the clients will choose Oracle App, Oracle ERP. Okay. So Oracle also provides database for running its ERP application. Okay. So modules available in Oracle Apps. There are approximately 250 plus modules available in Oracle Apps. Okay. Total 216 modules are available. But 260 plus maybe. Okay. In this general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, fixed assets, cash management. So these are finance modules. And few SCM modules are like inventory, purchase order, bill of material. So these are some of SCM modules. Okay, so Oracle also provide SCM modules and finance modules and also HR modules also, HRMS and CRM. CRM is customer relationship management. So these are the few important modules which we are dealing in Oracle apps. Okay, we are going to learn about all the modules also. Okay, so first let us see what we are going to cover in our course. You have course details, right? If you don't have, you can scan this and you will get the course details, course content and all. Okay, I will open the document. Okay, can you see my screen? Hello? Yeah. Okay, here you are going to learn about all these. Okay, first we will get the exposure of what is Oracle apps, how to create user, how Oracle apps have responsibilities, all these things in application object library sessions. Okay, these sessions you will have all the exposure to Oracle apps. So after that we will have overview of every module. Okay, what is inventory module and how to create a item in that, and what are the base tables affected, what are the important base tables we have to cover. So all these things will be covered in module specifics, inventory module, accounts payable module. So you will have some functional approach as well in these modules. You will create item in inventory module, you will create invoices, and we will make the payments in accounts payable module and deal with the base tables. Okay, I will show you what are the base tables, how it is get affected, and what are the important joins you have to check. All these things we have. You'll also deal with accounts symbols module, and we will deal with order management, and you will have some exposure in general ledger module, how to create journals, how to create ledger using triple C's. Okay, currency, calendar, and COA. So these things you will be covered in module session. After that, we will go to RISE components. Okay, RISE components means okay, R stands for reports. In RISE components, R stands for reports, I stands for interfaces, C stands for conversions, and finally R stands for extensions. So reports, in the sense, we will develop the reports using report builder, and we will also develop reports using XML publisher or BA publisher, XML or BA publisher. Okay, we will have separate sessions for everything. Okay, after that, in interfaces, so we will deal with two things. One is outbound interface and inbound interface. Outbound interface, in the sense, outbound interface is extracting the data from Oracle applications, okay, to flat files. So sometimes you have to give client the data from Oracle apps into flat files, so that they can move the flat files into some other applications. They can use the data in some other applications or some third-party applications. So in that case, we are going to provide them data in the flat files using outbound interface. Okay, flat files in the sense text files or CSV files. Okay, this is achieved by using UTL package. We have a utility called UTL package util. So I will show you everything, how you are going to extract the data from Oracle Apps. Inbound interface in the sense, so client will provide you the data in Excel sheet or CSV or text files or XML files. You have to convert this data into, you have to move the data into Oracle base tables so that client can view in the Oracle application. Okay, so this is outbound interface and this is inbound interface. So next we are going to move to conversions. So what are conversions? Let us assume Samsung is running a business in some other application. Let us assume it is running business in Microsoft Dynamics. ERP is running Microsoft Dynamics. So suddenly he decides to move to Oracle Apps. Okay, suddenly decides to move to Oracle Apps. Then he will provide all this information in flat files. All the information, all the data, all the important data, transaction data in flat files. So he will provide transaction data in flat files in CSV example. Okay, then we have to move this data into Oracle Apps base tables. So this is called as conversions. So he is converting his data from Microsoft Dynamics to Oracle Apps ERP. Okay. So what is the difference between inversions and conversions? Interfaces and conversions. So in interface, here he will also provide same XLS data or CSV data, which is moved to Oracle base tables. Here also we are moving to Oracle base tables. But the main important thing is conversions is done only once in a lifetime, because every time he won't migrate, right? He will migrate only one time. Okay, so we have to write so many we have to implement this in a way that it should not have any issues. Okay, we have to write so many logic, so many validations. We have to implement so many validations before going to base tables. Interface is a regular process. Okay, it may schedule for every week or every month. Okay, some flat files data will be coming and we are moving to Oracle base. So that is the difference between interfaces and conversions. Okay, so extensions in the sense form, we are going to develop forms using form builder tool. So extensions in the sense forms and form personalizations. Oracle already provided so many forms, standard forms. So if there are any customizations required by the client, we have to develop using the form builder, that is called extensions. Okay, or if he needs any new form, you are going to develop using form builder. Form customizations. And also with addition, we are going to learn about workflows, Oracle workflows. Okay, workflows in the sense, if there is invoice which is having huge amount, then it needs to send to the approval process. So if it needs to approve by managers, not by the normal employees. So in that case, we are going to implement workflows, not only for invoices, for payments also, for journals also. We have to create an workflows so that manager can approve those amounts or approve or reject using these workflows. Okay. So we are going to learn about workflows also. in our sessions. See workflows, how to create an workflow, what are the lookup types, what are roles, everything you will be learning using workflows. Okay, these are the rights components which we are going to learn. So BA publisher, exam publisher, this will have separate sessions in the reports. Okay, first we will learn about all the reports and all. Last we can learn about what is BA publisher and exam publisher. Okay, any doubts so far?
So in this session, we are going to customize the extender form system. So we have little bit exposure on the development of new forms.
Manish, your voice is breaking. I can't hear you properly.
Just now, okay?
Sorry.
Now it's audible.
Now also it's breaking. Some disturbance is coming. I think.
Yes, yes. So I have a query regarding Oracle forms. I have little knowledge on that. So standard forms we can customize or what we can do like that.
Customizations, Oracle form customizations, and also form personalizations we can do using form personalizations using custom.util package, custom.pll package. So currently this form builder concept is outdated. So many companies are going with OAF framework. That is a complete separate course, OAF framework. So they are using JDeveloper to develop a new forms using this OAF framework. Okay. But still there are so many standard forms in Oracle apps which need to be customized or modified. So for that you can use form builder. OAF is advanced extensions which are used to create a new forms. Okay, this separate it will separate course. They are using JDeveloper to develop forms. Okay. Okay, so far it's so the before learning Oracle apps technically, you need to have some exposure to SQL and PLSQL. Okay, so I hope all of you are having basic knowledge of SQL and PLSQL so that you can understand queries and coding in the future sessions. When you're going to reports and interfaces, there will be a lot of coding involved. So you should have some knowledge on SQL and PLSQL. Okay.
Yes.
So we are going to provide instance for the practice purpose. The instance will be 24 hours available. Okay, instance will be 24/7 available for you. And first 3 months it is free of cost. If you want to extend also, you can extend. For first 3 months, you'll get free of cost. Instance access. Okay. I'll show you the instance also now in few minutes. And you will get the recordings of every session on that day itself, on the day or next day itself. You can watch the recording and you will also get the documents and running notes. These running notes I will save and send to you. Okay.
So that instance you can use with the with a remote site, but you can directly log in. How can we use?
We will provide remote access for that instance. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So you will get all the details. If you have any queries, you can contact these numbers. Okay. So you can contact these numbers, or you can join our WhatsApp community. Okay.
Okay.
If you have any doubts regarding course and any fee details or anything, you can contact this. Okay. You can join our WhatsApp community and you can ask your queries. You can, if you have any technical doubts, so I can resolve. Okay. Apart from technical, you can have any query. If you have any queries, you can ask me. So next we are going to learn about file structure of Oracle apps. Okay. File structure of so okay. So Oracle apps to access every module. So we have, for example, you are going to generate a report using RDF file. Using report builder, it will generate RDF file. So we have to move that file to file structure, Oracle file structure. Oracle apps is installed in a Linux server. Okay, it will have directories. So we have to move our files, our report files, or form files, or everything into the Linux server into some particular directories. Okay, it is installed in some particular directory. So we have to find that particular directory, which file directory we have to move which file. So for that purpose, this Oracle apps structure will be file structure will be useful for you. Okay. So first of all, the root directory is Apple top. I'll show you the directory, how it will be in physical available. So the top directory is Apple top. It is the root directory which Oracle apps is installed. Okay. So under root directory, we have modules directories. Okay, under Apple top, we have directory for every module. AP module, GL module, AR module. Similarly, some OM module. We have so many directories. Okay, some 200 plus directories under the Apple top directory. Directory in the sense folder. Okay, you have directory here. So with all these modules, we have custom directory also. In real time, we have custom directory custom top. We call it as custom top. So what is the purpose of custom top? I will explain you in few minutes. Okay. So in under Apple top, we have so many directories with modules. Okay. Module specific directories. We call it as module specific directories. Okay. So under every module, you will have this version specific directory. Let us using 12.2.1 or something. Okay. So under this version specific directory, we are going to have total 5 directories, which are okay. So this is very important. We have to understand this structure. Only then you will understand what is the use of this top. What is how you are going to develop, how you are going to move your code. So under every top, there will be another directory, 12.2.1. For GL also it will have, for AR also it will have, or VM also, for custom top also it will have. So what is the purpose of these directories? Forms, reports, SQL, bin. Okay. So under again reports and forms folders, we are going to have another directory, which is US, long specific directory. Okay. So let us say, for example, we are going to develop a forms. So .fmb form will be created after developing forms. Okay, by using form builder, we are going to develop .fmb. So that .fmb will again converted into .fmx, and that files are saved in this directory. Okay, here you are going to have .fmx. Here we are going to have .rdf files. Okay, by using report filler, we are going to develop RDF files. So Oracle has so many standard reports and standard forms. So those files are available in these directories. So you get a requirement like you have to change the standard RDF of AAP module, some report is there, so you have to change the report code. Then you have to check the RDF. So how do you know in which module you have to check? You have to go to AAP module, this directory, and reports US RDF file. Similarly, you have to change any form. You have to customize any form. Then it is belong to AAP module. Then you are going to check AAP module under this directory, this directory forms us.fmx or .fmb. We are going to take this from this directory and we are going to modify the code. Okay. Similarly, you will have SQL related data in this SQL folders. In bin, you will have all the executables .exe files. In out, you will have out files. So you can write a concrete program to generate output files into this directory, so that we can have out files here. Admin is related to DBA tasks. Okay. So our main important folders are forms and reports. These two are the very important directories which we are going to work on. Okay. So what is the use of custom top then? So for example, you have developed a new invoices report. Manish, if you develop a new invoice report, in which top you are going to move? Invoices report. This is related to AP module. In which directory you have to move?
Inventory.
In AP reports US, right? In AP reports US folder, that file have to move, right? But the thing is, you have to move to custom top. If you develop a report or new form, you have to move to custom top, because these are used for only standard Oracle apps, forms, and Oracle reports top. Okay, you cannot directly move to any module. If you develop any report or form in GL module, we are going to develop from custom top 12.1 forms. We have us.fmx. You have to move there. If it is report, you have to move here, because these tops may get override when we apply patches or when we upgrade to new version. Then this top all the files will be override. So to avoid that confusion, we are going to move all the custom reports and custom forms into this directory, custom top. Okay. So I will show you the directory how it will be.
In custom top also, again we have a module wise directory.
No. Custom top, we have only directory. It will have only that 12.21 and forms. We don't have any module specific directories there. If it is GL or anything, any module, we will move to custom top directly. We don't have any module specific folders or directories there. Okay.
Okay, so Apple top 12.2.1 is different and custom top 12.2.1 is different.
Different. I will show you. Okay, I will show you the structure now. Okay.
Okay.
Manish, I can't hear you. Your voice is really disturbing.
I'm asking same instruction having all versions.
All versions.
No, we didn't understand.
The structure is same. See, the structure is same for R1 or 12.0 also same structure, 12.1 also same structure, 12.2 or 12.2 also same structure. No issues with the versions. Okay. The only thing is here the version top. Here the version top will be different. This folder name will be different. This is the version which are you using. Okay. The remaining everything is common. Okay. So these steps, write down the notes. Okay, see. Okay, these the root directory is apple top. I'm just pasting the notes from previous session, no problem, because we are running out of time. So I will show you the structure in real time. So we will provide this remote desktop connection. So by using that, you can log in. We will provide user ID and password also. So this is the remote desktop which we are going to use for our course. Okay. So this is the report builder. So to verify the structure, we have the software Windows CP. Wait a minute, I think these details. Okay. Okay. Okay, I think this is not working. I will show you in another instance. Wait a minute. Okay. So this is Windows CP. So this is used to transfer our files from local system to Linux server, OneClap server. This is OneClap server. Okay. So this is root directory. See, this is the Apple top. Okay, this is the directory in which Oracle apps is installed. So let us see our structure here if you will understand. So this is the Apple top. Okay, this is the Apple top. So in Apple top, we have all the folders of modules. These all are modules. So here AP, this is the AP module. So this is 12.0.0. This is old one. This is 12.0.0 is the version of this Oracle apps instance. Okay. Here you will have again so many directories: admin, bin, forms, log, out, patch, reports. So we are going to report directory. In report, you have again US directory. These are all standard RDF files, standard reports, RDF files of Oracle applications AP module. Okay. So you understand the structure now. See. Okay. Similarly, tabletop AP module 12.2.1 reports US RDF. So here you can see clearly. So if you develop any report or form or anything, so you can move our files from here to here. Okay, I will show you everything in the coming sessions. Okay. Similarly, we have forms directory. In forms directory US, we have all the standard SMX files. These are the AP related files. Again, go to Apple top. You'll have AR module, receivables module. You'll have okay, forms directory. Yes. So this custom top will be created by DBAs, Oracle Apps DBAs. Okay. So here we have XFN. This is the custom top. XFN is the custom top here. This instance is having XFN as custom top. So if we develop any reports or any custom reports, we don't have any currently, we can move to this custom top. It can be any name. If we are using, if you, for example, if Tata is your client, access Tata, they will have something like that. Okay. If SBI is your client, access SBI will have this top name, something like that.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, Manish.
Can you please-
Also there, so what the purpose of system folder?
Can you type your question? I can't understand your.
The system
Jack,
folder
can you
also
please
there.
can you please click on bin once in
Bin.
Apple top a bin? Yeah, click on bin.
It's not Apple top, it is XFN top. You don't have any
Okay.
files now.
Yeah, go to standard one.
Standard.
Top bin is there.
Yeah, you can have control files here.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Yeah.
Here, SQL loader. If you have any idea about SQL loader tool, we will develop a control file and use the SQL loader utility to move the. I will show you that one also. We will move it also SQL loader tool also use it for inbound interface. Okay. SQL loader tool is also important one, which you are going to use inbound interface. In that case, we are going to use this bin directories. Okay. So this is the in SCP. Okay, we can also check these directories from putty. Putty is more of a Unix version. Linux or Linux version. So in real time, you need to have knowledge on both the NSIP and putty also. So if you want to go to directory, I will say Apple, sorry, Apple, I will talk. So this is my standard Oracle apps directory. It is Appletop directory. Okay, the application is installed in this directory. So we can go to the directory. So we can check all the files. All these are module specific files. So merely can go to AP module. Okay, AP 12.0. Okay, we don't have. Sorry, we have permissions. So these are all forms and all our forms directory and report directories. Okay, we can check from putty also. We can move files from our putty also. I will show that one also. Okay. So I'm going to open the Oracle apps application. So after installing Oracle apps, we will have default username and password. Username is operation. Password is welcome. Okay. These are our responsibilities we get for this user. Username is operations. We can check here, login as operations. We can click on here and log on. Okay. These are our application responsibilities for this user. We can create our own user. We can assign our own responsibilities based on our requirement. That we can see in our future sessions. Okay, and let us see what is the version of this one. Application developer. So one Java form will be opened. This is the form which is developed by Form Builder using Form Builder tool. Okay, this form is developed by using Form Builder tool. If you need any modifications or extensions for this form, we are going to use Form Builder tool and we can achieve our requirements. Okay, so here go to help record history. Sorry, record history now. So, about Oracle applications to check the version of this. It is 12.2.11 version. Okay, our Oracle apps instance is 12.2.11 version. Our RDMS means database is 12.1, 12G, 12C, I think. These are Oracle applications version. So this form is saved under here. Path you can see. Appletop. This is related to FND. FND means standard AOL functionality. Application object library. Okay. That is not a module. That is I have showed you already that one in our course, I think. Application object library. So for this, for creating users for everything, for creating concrete program, everything comes under application object library module. This is not module, I can say it's more like a introduction to Oracle apps. Okay. So for this also you have one top, that is FND top. So anything related to this will comes under FND top. Okay. So far any doubts?
No.
Okay.
Will you show SVN as well?
Sorry.
Will you show SVN as well? Version control in the coming sessions. Version control mechanism.
Version control mechanism.
SVN tool. Version control mechanism.
SVN tool. Yes. Sorry, I can't understand. Which tool?
Version control. Version control mechanism. SVN. SVN.
SVN.
Version, when we develop any custom package or procedure, so that if we have any changes based on enhancements, we will
that one. No, that one is
modify.
software which is used for MNCs, right? To move to that is completely different. That comes under Oracle Labs. They will have code saved, right? Code that is code deployment tool, I think.
Yes.
No,
Yeah,
we don't have no, we don't have access for it. This is just a remote server which you will have Oracle Labs related something. So that tool will be different for everyone. Somebody we will use ServiceNow ticket, ServiceNow, or we will use stat tool for the deployment of code in real time. I'm saying about my real time experience. So that is different. That you have to learn from your colleagues only about that tool. Yeah, that is not covered here. Okay, here we will use. I will show you how you move the code from the standard Oracle Labs functionality. Okay.
Sure. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So far we learned about file structure. Also we have completed. So tomorrow we are going to learn about how to create a user and assign some responsibilities. After that, we will going to learn about database structure and architecture of three-tier architecture of Oracle Labs. Three-tier architecture of Oracle Labs. Once we completed the basics, then we can go to AOL application object library. Okay. So once we complete these basic things, then we can move to this all the introduction to Oracle Labs. Everything you will see. Okay, how to create a concurrent program and how to create the request group request sets, everything. Okay. So if you have any doubts regarding this session, you can ask me, or you can close the session. If you have any doubts regarding the course related details and fee structure and everything, you can contact these numbers. Under these numbers which I have shown in the screen. Okay. Hey. Can I stop the session?
No, sir. It's okay. Some timing change you can do it half an hour earlier if it's possible.
Sorry, Manish,
this session we can start the 6:30 each and every day.
6:30. I will check with other participants as well. So depends on them. Yeah, what happened? Any problem joining 7 o'clock?
Yeah, 8:30 I have office time, so 8 I can manage. So at least 1 hour is 6:30 to 7:30 I can manage.
Okay. Okay, we will check that one. For few days, you can join from same timing.
Yeah,
okay.
I can manage the few days, okay.
So it will not get this late. See, today I started that session late. So it will go over by 7:45 or 7:50 max. Okay, this is the instruction section. So I extended. It will max over by 7:45. Okay.
Okay, so So what I would like to do is, I was expecting as a technical way, I think we can go more side, say instead of pure category side from customization side. So I'm looking forward to this.
Manish, I can't hear you. So please fix your mic. We can discuss tomorrow, okay? It's getting late for me also. So I'm
Okay,
concluding the session, okay? Yeah.
okay, okay. No.
Please fix your mic and we can discuss tomorrow, okay?
Yeah, thank you very much.
Yeah. Yeah.